Can you see, Grant? Come here and see. You can see it right there. Say hi to our friends. Okay. We are going to make outdoor spray. Mommy needed to make a couple outdoor sprays, and so I thought I would share with you guys my recipe, and I got some helpers here.
They can see us, but we can't see them.
That's right. That's right. Okay, the first thing we're going to start with, we got our little bottle here. We're going to start with citronella. Can you say that?
Citronella.
Do you know why we use citronella in our outdoor spray?
Bugs don't like it. Yeah, bugs don't like it.
Good job, that's right. Bugs do not like citronella. So we're going to do our citronella, and then next, do you remember what this one is? Lemongrass. We're going to put some lemongrass in here.
Wow.
What did this one smell like, Grant? Do you remember?
Yeah, wow.
Kind of like grass. So I did 10 drops of the citronella, and I'm doing about 10 drops of the lemongrass. And next is, Titus, this is the one you said was your favorite.
Yeah, peppermint.
Peppermint.
Peppermint too.
Peppermint.
I
So we're going
like
to do about 10 of peppermint. Did you say you like peppermint too,
Yeah.
Grant? How come you like that one?
I like both of them.
You like both of them? Okay, so about 10 peppermint. I kind of lost count, but that'll do. And then our very last one, do you remember what this one is?
Flower.
Yeah, it smells like the flowers. This is geranium, and we do geranium because you know what does not like geranium? Ticks. Ticks don't like geranium. So we're gonna put about 10 geranium.
But don't like geranium like ears instead of.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, ears, like Cody's ears.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They like to get on dogs sometimes. Yeah. So we could even spray this on the dogs, because we can spray this on us, on our skin, and we can spray our clothes and our skin, and even the baby and the stroller. And next, okay, so we've got our oils: citronella, lemongrass, peppermint, and geranium. And next, I'm gonna put some witch hazel in. I'm gonna put about an ounce, and I'm not actually measuring. I'm just gonna kind of squirt about an ounce in there. That helps kind of keep all the oils mixed together.
Are you gonna put the water in?
And then, yes I am. We're gonna put some water in. And then here, should I use this? Because I don't know that I trust myself to pour water in without spilling it. You think Mommy would probably spill it?
Yeah.
Probably, huh? So I'm gonna fill it up, the rest with water. And then what's the very last thing that we do? Do you know?
What do we do?
Well, we put the lid on, and then what do we have here?
The sticker.
We have our sticker. Did you show everybody the recipe card, Grant? Did you show them this?
Yeah.
Here, I'll put the sticker on. You want to show them the card?
I want to put it on.
You want to put it on? Okay. Well, this was our recipe card. I don't know if we showed you guys that or not. And we've got our little sticker we're going to put on, or Grant is. You have to take it off the card, like this. You have to take it off. Can you peel it? Okay, peel it off. Peel it off so we can get it on there. And then you think we should spray this on us before we go outside? Yeah. You stick it on there. And there we have it. You want to tell everybody bye? Grant, you want to tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Bye.
And we made it.
Have a good night.